Here's a stat that really stuck with me. 68% of workers say they need to reskill to stay relevant. But the average online course costs around $800, and it's built for the average person, not for you. And here's the weird part. The person sitting next to you probably already knows exactly what you're trying to learn. There's just no easy way for them to teach it, and no real reason to. That's the problem SkillSwap AI is trying to solve. Most platforms today are expensive, generic, and passive. We wanted something different. A peer-to-peer system where knowledge is the currency, and AI makes the learning path actually personal. Quick overview of the tech. The stack is fully Python, and everything I use is free. The backend runs on fast API. It's async, strongly typed, and really fast. Right now, I'm using SQLite for development, but it's set up so I can switch straight to PostgreSQL in production. Now the core of the API. Everything is split cleanly: auth, skills, sessions, AI endpoints. Most root handlers are under 20 lines, so it stays readable. Pydantic handles validation for every request and response. For the AI layer, I'm running LUMA 3.2 locally through LUMA, so there's no inference costs and there's no data leaving the system. I built a structured prompt that always returns clean JSON, plus a fallback so the feature still works even if LUMA isn't running. On the front end, it's React with Vite and Tailwind. Fast builds, simple concepts. Axios handles API calls with a shared JWT interceptor, and routing is done with a React Router v6. In total, it's about 2,000 lines of code across 12 files. Alright, let me show you how this actually works. The user is greeted with a sign-in/sign up page. They can either sign up from scratch or sign in using an existing account. Once you log in, you start at the dashboard. You can see your credit balance, upcoming sessions, and a few quick stats. New users start with 5 free credits, so you can jump in right away. Now onto the marketplace. I can now choose what topic I want to learn, which can be sorted out using the list, and then sign up for that class. I can also create a matching teacher for my journey. By clicking on this button, filling out the required info, the AI creates a match score by analyzing vectors in real time. A list of teachers ranked by match score are then shown. Sarah has a higher match score, so I'll sign up for her class. Now this is the main feature, the AI curriculum generator. I'll enter Python, beginner to intermediate, over 4 weeks. And in about a few seconds, it will generate a full plan, week by week, with topics, projects, and milestones. And the key part is, this is all tailored to you, based on your starting point and goal. Week 1 covers the basics. Week 2 goes into OOP. Week 3 works with APIs. And week 4 is a capstone project. Something like this would normally cost hundreds of dollars on a platform like Coursera. Here, it's instant and personalized. Sessions are tracked here. You get status, teacher info, and meeting links. Once a session is complete, credits transfer automatically and everything is logged. I also thought about how this scales. Right now, it's a simple monolith. One fast API app, SQLite, and local AI. It makes sense for Hackathon and early users. At around 10,000 users, I plan to switch to PostgreSQL, add Redis for caching, and run multiple fast API workers behind Nginx. At 100,000 users, I split into services, user, matching, sessions. The AI layer moves to distributed workers. The matching system already outputs vectors, so plugging into something like ChromaDB or Pinecone is straightforward. The bigger idea here is that local AI keeps on getting cheaper and better. I'm not tied to any external APIs. I have 4 main revenue streams. First, freemium. You get 5 credits per month free, and then you can upgrade to unlimited sessions for $9.99. Second, enterprise. Companies can buy credits to train their teams. Third, certified badges. AI-based skill assessments for $19.99. And fourth, a 10% commission on higher price sessions. SkillSwap AI. Learn anything, teach everything.